Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us learn Kannada to English sentences part 2. So let us start. ನೀನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀಯಾ? What are you doing? What are you doing? ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. I am working. I am working. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯ ಕೊಡು. Give me some time. Give me some time. ನಾನು ನಂತರ ಬರುತ್ತೇನೆ. I will come later. I will come later. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. This is very good. This is very good. ನಿನಗೆ ಸಮಯ ಇದೆಯಾ? Do you have time? Do you have time? ನಾನು ಫ್ರೀ ಇಲ್ಲ. I am not free. I am not free. ನಿನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Do you like it? Do you like it? ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ. I like it very much. I like it very much. ನೀನು ಏಕೆ ತಡವಾಗಿ ಬಂದೆ? Why did you come late? Why did you come late? Traffic ಇತ್ತು. There was traffic. There was traffic. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. I will try. I will try. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು. Please adjust. Please adjust. ನಾನು ಮರೆತುಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. I forgot. I forgot. ನನಗೆ ನೆನಪಿಸು. Remind me. Remind me. ನಿನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Do you know? Do you know? ನಾನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. I will tell. I will tell. ಬನ್ನಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Let's go. Let's go. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲು. Stop here. Stop here. ಇಂದು ತುಂಬಾ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಇದೆ. It's very hot today. It's very hot today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.